Listen and speak. At the hotel. Make a reservation.
Good morning. I'd like to make a reservation for a room for 2 for 3 nights, please.
Good morning. Absolutely. Let me check our availability for you. May I have your name, please?
Yes, it's John Smith.
Thank you, Mr. Smith. And may I know your check-in and check-out dates?
We'll be arriving on the 10th of March and departing on the 13th.
Perfect. Let me see what we have available for those dates. We have a deluxe double room and a suite available. Which one would you prefer?
How much is the deluxe double room?
The deluxe double room is $150 per night.
And what about the suite?
The suite is $250 per night.
I think we'll go with the deluxe double room, please.
Great choice. Would you like a smoking or non-smoking room?
Non-smoking, please.
Noted. Could I also have a contact number and email address to confirm your reservation?
Sure, my contact number is 555-1234 and my email address is john.smith@example.com.
Thank you, Mr. Smith. Your reservation for a deluxe double room for 2 guests from March 10th to March 13th is confirmed. Is there anything else I can assist you with?
That's all. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. We look forward to welcoming you to our hotel. If you need anything else, don't hesitate to let us know.